Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut audio delay. In order to do so, you first have to launch your CapCut mobile application and then you just have to tap on New Project. Once done, you will be redirected on this videos section where you need to select any of the videos that you want to export or on which you are facing any audio delay. After selecting it, you need to tap on the audio and then you are going to see a bunch of different options in the bottom. So you just have to swipe to the right and here you will be able to see the option of extract audio. So you need to tap on extract audio. So what this tool does is that it extract your audio from that video so you can edit your audio and your video separately. Now you need to tap on the audio section and once this has this white background, it simply means that you have successfully selected it. Now you can adjust it according to the video, so you can make it large, small, and you just have to basically adjust it in order to fix the CapCut audio delay. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.